Well, hey, it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I got one today that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, get yourself a discount. This is just noodles and soup only from Myojo. This is I can't remember the name of it, but you'll see it in the title. And yeah, let's get to work. So 420 mils of water. And so here's the deal. This one's a little different. Let me turn this down a little bit. See this? Okay, so there's that. This one takes 4 minutes. Yes. There's the noodle block in. Then we have this sachet, and this one's interesting. This kind of is like a tea bag. Hey, tea bag. Time to put in the tea bag. Oh yeah. But you don't like open this up. See that? You drop it in. You lit it. And we're gonna let this sit for 4 minutes. So I'm like super excited. So my mom was really into watching the God, what was that guy? The glove OJ trial, and it's like I'd never really been all that into. Oh, there's also a liquid sachet. I'm gonna put it, kind of wedge it underneath here so it gets a little bit of heat. Sometimes it likes that. There, see? Ooh. But we have another installment of my favorite show, the January 6th hearings. And yeah, basically in about 40 minutes, all watching of Sesame Street, Daniel Tiger, and Pinkalicious, that'll all come to a grinding halt as Judy Woodruff comes on the PBS News and starts to talk about politics. I remember the first time it did that, the kids were just like, I don't know, I think the best term would be like crestfallen. They were just like, what? Well, I don't want to watch that. I don't want to, what? Oh, no. Can't we watch Netflix? No, this is my Papa's favorite show. No. But it's been weird. Now they've got that Bannon guy who's going to do something, I guess. I don't know. They don't think that he's actually going to do what he says he's going to do. I don't know. But they keep coming up with new cast members on the show. It's always interesting. My favorite was Cassidy Hutchinson when she related something about the ex-president throwing his lunch at the wall and helping to clean ketchup off the wall. Revealing. Not really. But yeah, I love that show. I think I can't wait for season 2 when we find out what actually happens. I don't know. I hope they do something. But yeah. And hoping to get out walking today. I'm thinking about getting another COVID booster because everybody's getting sick again, I think. My sister finally got it. And it's been a while since I had it or had a booster. That was back in January. Now it's July. So it's like, give me that juice. I want my cell phone to work better. You know? But yeah. What else has been going on? So the Ramen Junkies group, if you're not in it, join. Look on Facebook, type in Ramen Junkies. There's other guys named Ramen Junkies that I think have been around reviewing noodles for a long time, but not them. Join the group. And there's like 70,000 people as of July. I don't know how many will be now. Maybe 72,000. I don't know. But I've been trying to do a little bit of a shake-up with my mods in the group. I want to make it more representative of more international, more perceptions. Because we've got a little, we call ourselves, well, I decided that we call ourselves Section 42 after the 42nd quote in the book, the Momofuku Ando book that I've got, that are all quotes from Momofuku Ando, which reads something like, think, and think again. The more I beat my brains, or when I beat my brains, I pass blood in my urine. And that's from the guy who invented instant noodles. It's just like such a weird quote. And if somebody posted that in the group, there's a good chance we would moderate it. So it just seemed like it's the 42nd one, we're Section 42. I thought that was kind of a neat, very inside play on it. Okay, now look. Now you can look. So let's get up in there. So there's our sachet that's like a tea bag. So what we need, it mentions, so you like, so what that's doing is like releasing the flavor. That's the idea. It doesn't seem to be doing a huge amount of that, but let's loosen up this noodle while we're at it. But you don't empty this. This is, you know, it's like silica gel. Do not eat. Oh, see? Now it's getting cloudier. But this is a special seafood dashi, I believe. Oh, you can totally smell it. I had another variety like this recently that was a special Korean Jeju Island shrimp or prawn variety. And it was really added a nice taste to it. And I'm going to try this without... Wow, that smells really good. It smells like salmon. Yeah, that smells really lovely. But this one is basically... They're just trying... Which kind of, like, gets to me. I don't understand why. Because ramen is just noodles and soup. I guess there are varieties that have, like, a little extra oomph. But... this one is supposed to be just like focusing on those two things, but that's like kind of like what you do. I don't know. It's a premium range. Forgive them. But the other one that I tried was good too. So, all right. So we're done with our tea bag. And now I'm gonna give this another stir. Oh yeah, I want to try this just straight. And I have a feeling it's gonna be very light. It's very aromatic, I can say that much. There's our broth at present. Oh, that's nice. That would honestly be good on its own at this point. It's very subtle, but it's very, it's got a nice depth to it. Now we're going to see if the whole thing goes up in flames, because this is where the rubber meets the road. This could be really good, or we could lose all that nice savory umami from that little sachet. Ooh. And here's our broth, a little bit darker. Oh, wow. Very comfortable with that. Let's try the noodle. I don't know exactly how to describe that. It's like it's got a sweetness and it's got a depth to it. And a saltiness. It's like, and I know this is going to sound really weird, and I shouldn't even say it, but I mean, first off, this is really good. Second off, I'm gonna say it kind of makes me think of like bacon of the sea. Yeah, sea bacon doesn't sound good, but it's quite lovely stuff. I'm impressed. See, usually they'll add a whole bunch of other stuff, but all you get here is noodles and soup. And straight like this would be just wonderful, but I can't do that. It's time to add some chashu. I'm tempted to just leave it like that, but I enjoy the fun, so here we go. So the bowl I'm using today was a bowl that my mom and sister got me this for, I don't know if it was for a birthday or Christmas, like literally 20 years ago. Yeah, this is the oldest bowl I own. It's the old bowl. It's an old bowl, dude. What an old bowl. And yeah, I'm literally sitting on a huge amount of what do you call them? God, this is going already? Yeah, sure is. I'm sitting on a ton of Japanese varieties I need to review. So yeah, like I was saying, I need to, when does this go back? The 14th. I might be able to get another day out of this. It's the 12th, and they're acting like they're ready to go to Hamland. Was that a place? I don't know. Yeah. And we're gonna do a little bit of shichimi. Yeah. No. Where's that special spoon? Here's the special fork. I need the special spoon. There you are. You know what it means when I bring this spoon out, don't you? It means it's time for some of this. This is Lao Gan Ma, spicy chili crisp. I like to refer to it as love sludge. It's absolutely wonderful stuff. It is the bomb, quite literally. And that is today's creation. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get off my butt and make some soft boiled egg. We'll give this a try. Rotato. Do your stuff, and let's play something a little more upbeat. thanks for watching. Yeah, that's it for me today. There'll be 3 more coming out tomorrow. I'll be getting ready. And yeah, this has been your only friend, Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Grab your other friends, should they occur, cell phones, subscribe, notification bell, lock it in. They like that. That makes them happy. Right? Just do what you gotta do. Have a good one. Bye-bye.